Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we will talk about some of the best healing crystals and gemstones for all things abundance and prosperity. Yes, this is a question that I get asked a lot. You guys seem to be all about abundance, that beautiful abundant energy into your life, how to get more prosperity into your life. This is a big topic, and here we're going to discuss some of my most recommended and maybe some of my own favorite crystals dedicated to that topic, based on my own experience, and so much more. So first of all, I want to say, before I start showing you the crystals, because what we're going to do is we're going to do each one stone by stone, and I'm going to go through why do I believe this particular stone fits in this category so well. And before I do that, I really want to say that all those gemstones and crystals can work well on their own, to cover the topic of prosperity and abundance, but you're gonna see that some of them actually cover slightly different angles or slightly different ways of of the topic. But what do we really mean, what we truly mean when we talk about abundance and prosperity? Because it is something that many people sometimes find it difficult to grasp. What does it really entail? So it kind of means just taking your life to the next level and attracting everything that is related to wealth, more prosperous life, bringing more success into your life, bringing more power into your life. That's kind of the idea here. And you're going to see, because of that, all the different stones we're going to go through kind of fit in this category in slightly different ways. You can use them individually. For example, some of them can be worn as in jewelry on its own, but you're going to see that some of them work very well together. They complement one another very well. And at the end, if I feel like it, I might give you some extra bonus ones. We'll see how we go. So first of all, let me just grab my little pouch. We're gonna go through all of it. So first one I want to talk about is, let's get straight into the topic. We're gonna talk about jade / new jade. Here we have new jade, which is also commonly known as serpentine. You can also go for jade. Jade will be even better, to be honest. It really embodies even more so the power of wealth and prosperity. Jade, we have a video on jade on this channel. You can check that out if you wanted to be more specifically about it. But in a nutshell, jade is the perfect gemstone for all things prosperity. It's been used, it's been cherished, it's been loved by the ancient Chinese for forever. Since the beginning of times, they have been really into jade for all its beautiful properties related to abundance in all aspects of life, be it physical wealth, be it financial wealth. Every aspect is covered. And here we have new jade, which is a variety of serpentine. It's a different stone, but similarly, not at the same level, but similarly, new jade will be associated with good luck. It's all about soothing that emotional body, releasing any potential bad feelings you might have related to change, and just allowing yourself to be more open to what the future might hold, and seeing and seizing those opportunities. So very much so about abundance, success, wisdom. A great stone to get your hands on as in jewelry if you want a good fortune, good luck talisman to wear on a daily basis to really instill that energy into your life. Definitely get your hands on jade. and some beautiful jewelry made with jade is always a must. Definitely check that out. Make sure it's genuine though, because there's so much fake out there. You know, I'm not going to go through too much details in here, but you know what I mean. You know, make sure that you know you're buying the real deal. It's going to be a bit more expensive, but it's going to be absolutely worth it. Next, let's go for Amazonite. Amazonite, I love Amazonite. It's like one of those. I am obsessed with Amazonite. I have a water bottle with you know, Amazonite you know, tumblestones inside to cleanse my water. And what I love about it is you know, it very much so embodies the power and the energy and everything that represented by the Amazon women. Again, I'm not going to go too deep into detail, but it's very much so the stone of truth, courage, independence, freedom in some ways, and yeah, just you know, getting you to be at the right place at the right time. That is the type of prosperity we are talking about when we talk about Amazonite. Next, I think we kind of have to cover this one. I mean, that one is like, you need to have this one. That is clear quartz. You need to have clear quartz in your crystal collection. It's like, it's a staple for me. It's like the staple of all the staples. It's like the high vibrational master healer energy. It amplifies all positive energy in your surroundings, in your you know, your environment, in other crystals as well, while at the same time neutralizing any negative energy. You know, it's all about helping you to go in a very smooth way, in an easy way, in a like reassured way through any changes in your life, any transitions, and really to help you stay true to yourself and authentic to yourself while you're going through that process, and not being affected in any shape or form. Yeah, very potent energy with the beautiful clear quartz. Next is like obviously it's going to be one of my all-time favorites. Like, I could not but not include the one, the only. I have it on my desk every single day. Guys, get your hands on some pyrite. Pyrite is also great in jewelry. I love to wear myself pyrite a lot in jewelry, because it really is about that daily energy of all things prosperity. It's the stone of willpower. It's the stone of wealth, aka fool's gold. That is what we're talking about here. So very much so a stone that's considered to be lucky, to have a lucky energy, attracting abundance in all its ways, at the same time being very protective, you know, like a shield against different types of negative energies around you, helping you to build up strength, strength of mind, obviously, and yeah, really developing and boosting that sense of creating wealth generated by your efforts, you know, because that is the reality of prosperity. You know, it's not one of those things that are just going to come from the sky. You have to put in the effort, but that's what Pyrite is all about. It's about embodying that sense of putting in the work, but also being open to receive what's gonna come to you, you know. So giving and receiving, both ends are so important. And then last but not least, we're gonna talk about Citrine. I have more Citrine here. Citrine is great. I have also some Citrine here. My earrings, you'll find lots of Citrine on the website as well. Jewelry. Citrine, for me, it's like one of those stones. It's like sunshine energy. It's like if you really feel like you need to open that solar plexus chakra, you know, like open your inner sunshine and just radiate pure light, pure happiness and joy. If you're feeling a bit low in your mood and this is what you need right now, that is the perfect stone for you. Again, I love it to wear it as in jewelry because it always reminds me to try to embody the energy of the sun as much as I can. It's all about manifestation, creativity, it's about personal will, attracting, obviously, you know, prosperity, success, and all things good. All good stuff, good vibes only. Yes, that's it. So, you know, like as I was saying earlier, like these are some of my favorites. You can absolutely go for other ones. You have a lot of other choices. I mean, what comes to me straight away would be something like chrysoprase. I think chrysoprase is divine. Such a beautiful stone, perfect for prosperity and abundance. Another option would be definitely emerald, you know, like usually anything that's kind of green will work very well for you. You know, like green aragonite, you know, all sorts of green stones would be really good. I'm trying to think if there is any other one, but yeah, no, that's really the idea. You know, like chrysocolla to a certain extent could help. Malachite, maybe malachite is more so about love and all things of the heart, but the ones we've just covered here very much so about prosperity and abundance in all aspects of life, really, you know. So yeah, that would be more so the idea here, guys. Now I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about those crystals? How do they resonate with you? Which ones of those gems is your favorite? Again, there is no right or wrong way to use them. If you'd rather have them as in a stone and that works for you, that's perfect. You know, some of them I personally like to keep them on my desk. Because that's an area where I spend a lot of time, and that's an area where I really want that prosperity and that abundant energy to come to me. You know, you can keep it, again, as we said, in the pocket. Pocket stones also work if that's what works best for you, for all things wealth, success, and really just manifest those goals and dreams that you have. And any of those would make great gifts. If you know as well anyone that's, for example, trying to start a new project, getting to the next step in their career, in their life, anything like that, wonderful. As in jewelry form, I think they're perfect. These crystals work very well to be worn on a daily basis because they really have an energy that, you know, if you're a student, an entrepreneur, or if you're just starting something new in your life, everyone needs that type of energy, and it's something that really is gonna be perfect for you. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and it just shows me what type of content you're enjoying on this channel, and it gives me an idea of what to bring to you guys next. I always love to hear your feedback and what you guys think. How do you perceive it all? Never be afraid to let me know as well if there is any other topic in the you know, area of crystals and gemstones that you would like me to cover. Any other keywords you know, that resonates with you, that you feel you want to attract to your life, whatever it is, or to improve. Don't be afraid to always let me know. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll be delighted to talk to you soon. So please make sure you trust yourself, listen to your intuition, and do something positive for yourself today, because you surely deserve it. See you guys.